Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. These days I find myself being a little bit more money conscious and eco-conscious. And thanks to this adorable basket from Trifecta Living Company, I have everything I need to take care of my face care in the evenings. Inside are 18 makeup remover pads. These are made of velour fabric, terry fabric, and bamboo. And each of them is double sewn, so you have double fabric, so they're well made, they're durable, they're easy to wash in the little laundry bag that it came with. I love that you can put them in, you don't have to worry about losing them in the wash, and then dry them and they are ready to reuse again. As I mentioned, they're really well made. They're great for removing eye makeup, face makeup, whatever you need, a little bit of toning, whatever you use them for. They're great to use on the skin. They're all really soft, made of that nice fabric, and I love that I can recycle and use them over and over again. When I'm done, I place that basket right on my vanity or on your bathroom counter, and it keeps them nice and secure so I don't have to wonder where they are. So this is an adorable little idea from Trifecta Living Company, but that's just my point of view.